It's April 13th, 2024, and we find ourselves at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the South's largest operating railroad museum. Today, we'll be taking a ride on the museum's famous Missionary Ridge Local behind Southern Railway KS1 class number 630.
I'm standing here right behind Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia number 80. One of the many classic diesel pieces the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum has to offer. TVRM was founded in the 1960s by Paul Merman and Bob Sewell Jr., and they decided it was going to be best if they could try to grab as much equipment as they could possibly, like number 80 here. Now, we're going to be riding along with Southern Railway KS class number 630 today, and possibly we get to ride in the cab for one. If not, that's okay. But let's go on today, and let's go hop a train.
What's also very interesting about TVRM is its close proximity to the Norfolk Southern Main Line seen to the right, meaning there is a higher probability of being able to see a freight train pass by while you wait for the local or any other TVRM train to return. And yet, I had no idea of what was about to occur. As it turns out, that TVRM scheduled a dinner train that same day, and Southern Railway GP38-2 number 5000 was tasked of pulling the train for the day. Seen here, number 5000 takes place in a small switching operation to get all the cars ready for the day's work. And as soon as 630 leaves with the first run of the day, number 5000 will come to the platform and load the passengers up for their run to Chickamauga, Georgia. Now, number 630 is one of two remaining KS1s around, the other being number 722, which is being restored to operation by the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad, and hopefully will be running by next year. Before I knew it, it was time to hop aboard and get on our way. Back at Grand Junction, number 5000 pulls up to the platform with the cars for the dinner train. Proceeding our little turnaround at East Chattanooga, the crew tends to the fire as we back up to the coaches to head back towards Grand Junction.
Let me get my video out here, alright?
Alright, that was cool. Blow it longer, just don't need to go louder than that.
to a spot, 6:30. That's clear to a spot, 6:30.
Thank you for watching Southern 630 Veering Through the Valley. Please subscribe, share, like, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you know when you have more train content coming your way. All aboard!